Y'all know what time it is. What's up guys, Joey here of YugaTech, and we are gonna unbox something very special today. This is the ASUS ROG phone, which we've already taken a look at back at Computex, but now we have our own unit here and we're gonna see what's inside. So looking at this box, it's very interesting definitely. It's angular, it's got those shiny ROG logos. If I didn't know this was a phone, I'd think this is a special edition ASUS gaming mouse or something. It's almost aerodynamic feel. Let's just open it up. So here we see the ROG aerodynamic system. Very nice. So I suppose this flaps open, yeah? This flaps open and it just rolls open like that. Very smooth. Okay, so we got the phone itself here. Let's just remove the plastic from now on. Oh my god, I got fingerprints all over it already. Yeah, we have the cooler. So the cooler attaches to the side of the phone via like a double USB Type-C port. It provides extra cooling for your phone's processor and added style points for the RGB ROG logo. That's a tongue twister. And on the bottom you also get a Type-C port for charging and a 3.5mm audio jack. We'll talk about that later. Yeah. So Type-C cable, which implies a high form of fast charging. So we have hypercharge actually on this phone. And of course the power brick. Type-C port. Here we go. I'm pressing the power button. ASUS splash screen. Watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this. Oh, I love that. I love that. Oh yeah. You see that, Carl?
Super nice.
Yeah. Okay, let's put this thing on. So I suppose this goes like this. Tabby thing. Dual Type-C ports here. So this plugs into the side and closes like this. So what this does is it gives extra cooling for your device, for your processor. So the Snapdragon 845 can provide some very high frame rates, but you need consistent cooling to keep those frame rates consistent also. So you might be able to get 60 FPS or more on PUBG Mobile, but can you sustain it? And that's where the cooler comes in.
Papa, can you hear me?
No, this is Patrick.
It's probably not working right now. I can't hear anything because we're not playing any games, but it's very cool. It comes with this RGB logo also. I haven't set it up yet, so it's just green. But yeah, there you have it guys. This is the ASUS ROG phone. 6-inch AMOLED screen in front, running at 90Hz, Snapdragon 845, 8GB of RAM, 128GB or 512GB of storage. So we're actually very excited to test this phone out in the coming days. We're definitely gonna release an episode of Can It Game and our full review. So stay tuned for that. So that concludes this unboxing guys. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this, hit the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video, and visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey with the ROG phone, and we are signing off.